Welcome back. We're standing with our Volkswagen Touareg 2013 and we're busy with taking out the engine and gearbox together, and then the manual says you have to remove the ECU. Now, this is a whole bracket with ECU and it's attached to the wire loom. And why do I have this protective cloth? Well, there are anti-theft bolts in it. They look like this when they're new. And when I install these bolts and I tighten them, the whole head comes off, so there's nothing left. And we have to get those out to take off the ECU, because we do not want to have an ECU hanging on a wiring loom while disassembling the whole engine. So I think one of the easiest methods is cutting in a slot with a grinder, a small slot, and then we're going to heat up, because there's Loctite, a security fluid inside, so we're gonna heat it up a little bit and then it should come out fairly easy. So I'm gonna use some protective parts, of course, my ears, so my face. We have two slots in it. I'm going to use a soldering torch on gas. Heat it up at the back. I'm going to use this one because it's fairly slowly, so I won't damage anything else.